All right, moving on to hours of service. This displays your 4 clocks with running times. As you can see, we've been on duty for 6 minutes in our pre-trip. You can also change your status here. Make sure you always add a remark as to what you're doing. Beneath the clocks, you have your available time tomorrow if you're running recaps. You have your 8 logs. It tells you if they're certified or uncertified. So if you don't sign out each day, it does not prompt you to certify. So you do have to look beneath your clocks each day. The only one that should be uncertified is the day that you're working in. To certify a log from this screen, you just click on the day. Make sure that your bar graph is accurate. Then you would come down and hit the Certify and Submit button. This is also where a driver can edit on duty, off duty, or sleeper berth. So you can click the Edit button next to the line that was incorrect. You can change your duty status to what the actual status was. Or if you just needed to change a time, you could click on the line that has a start time or end time. And we're going to go ahead and go to off duty, and we're going to change the time to 11:38. You're going to save that. And then now you can see that off duty went to 11:38. So let's say we're completed for the day. Click Certify and Submit. Agree. Hit the back button up here at the top left. And now you can see that top line is certified. From this screen, you can also maneuver back and forth between days using these buttons right here next to the day to make sure that all of your duty statuses are good. There's also 2 icons just beneath the clocks. One says log, the other says roadside. The log icon will just take you to the screen that shows the same as today. So you can use either today or the log button to get there. Roadside is when you get pulled in for a roadside inspection and the driver or officer wants you to transfer the logs. This is how you would do it. You can hit the transfer button right here up at the top right, and it says wireless web or email to DOT. And click wireless web. The officer gives you a code. You can type that code into this comment section and then hit transfer, and then it goes to them. You can also get everything that you would need for an inspection on this screen. It does require you to create a temporary PIN. It could be anything you want. You can use the same one over and over for every inspection you have. You do need to remember the PIN you create to unlock the tablet or phone at the end of the inspection. Once you have your code in, you can hit lock and continue. The screen says it's now ready. So this is everything that might be needed for an inspection. Once again, you have the transfer button on the top right. You have the ELD in-cab materials button near the top center. If you click on that, you have the driver app manual and the DOT manual on how to operate Samsara ELD. These are both requirements that you have. So you can click on DOT English, and here's the 2 pages of instructions for officers to be able to navigate. You can click on Driver App English, and this is quite an extensive library of information on how to do different things within the application. Hit the back buttons to get out. And then these are just your daily logs and all of the duty statuses and changes that might have happened over the course of the week. All right, that's it for the roadside inspection and hours of service. Once you're complete, you hit the back button, you re-enter your PIN, and continue, and then you're back at your clock screens. Do remember to stay on duty for any inspection. All right, now we'll go into some specifics.